The GSX S1000 carries the Supersport DNA. Aggressive styling. Powered by a GSX-R engine. Lightweight chassis and traction control system. The GSX S1000 is a pure sport roadster that can do almost anything you ask of it. Powered by the legendary GSX-R 1000 engine, the GSX S1000 delivers adrenaline-rushing performance. This is a liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHC inline-4. It is based on the legendary K5 engine that powered the GSX-R 1000 from 2005 to 2008. As well as linear power delivery, a broad torque and impressive acceleration, the engine is thoroughly tuned right down to the exciting sound and puts the rider right in the moment. The engine is set to the optimal compression ratio with the long stroke retained. The pistons are now lighter than in the original GSX-R with no loss of durability. The cam profile has also been modified. Optimizing the valve timing delivers engine characteristics that are just as suited to city streets as twisty roads. The Suzuki dual throttle valve system inherited from the GSX-R has been upgraded and contributes to efficient combustion and smooth power delivery. The exhaust system is a 4x2x1 design that incorporates the Suzuki exhaust tuning system. This controls a butterfly valve based on engine speed, throttle position and gear position to produce broad torque in the low to mid-rev range. It also delivers an exciting exhaust note. The GSX S1000 comes with an advanced traction control system. Suzuki's original traction control system constantly monitors throttle position, crank position, gear position, and front and rear wheel speeds 250 times per second. When rear wheel spin is detected, a signal is immediately sent from the ECM to control the ignition timing and air delivery. This controls the rear wheel drive force and restores stability. Traction control lets the rider control the throttle with greater confidence in various riding conditions. The traction control system is controlled by switches on the left-hand side. The rider can select among 3 different modes or turn the system off depending on the conditions or rider's preference. The difference between modes is levels of sensitivity. Mode 1 is the lowest sensitivity level and allows a certain level of rear wheel spin. It is suitable for sport riding in good grip conditions. Mode 2 is the second lowest sensitivity level. In this setting, the system activates slightly earlier than Mode 1. Mode 2 is suitable for most riders and road conditions. Mode 3 is the highest sensitivity level and activates earlier than the other 2 modes. It is suitable for bad road conditions. Passion, excitement, and a blazing soul that inherits the GSX heritage. Experience the adrenaline-rushing performance on streets and winding roads. Take control on the pure sport roadster. Suzuki GSX S1000.